Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of February, where we are going to do a series of stretches to open up the heart. Go ahead and find a seat. You can place something underneath you if you'd like, just to help your knees and hips, or you can just sit on the ground, maybe move around just a little bit to sit on your sit bones. But bring your ears over your shoulders, shoulders over hips, and imagine that there's a string lifting you tall, stacking each vertebrae on top of another. Go ahead and close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Now repeat the deepest breath you can, making room for the heart and the lungs and stretching out the chest muscles from the inside out. One more breath. And then let's drop the chin to your chest and gently roll each ear to each shoulder. Everything is connected in your body, so loosening up the areas around the intentional stretching point is very good. So lift tall and roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Let's pause and go up and around the other way. Then go ahead and drop that right ear to the right shoulder. While your right ear is to your right shoulder, tilt that chin down towards the ground. Inhale to the center. Now your left ear to your left shoulder, and tilt the chin to the ground. Then come to the center. Place your right hand down, left arm comes up and over, and hold this here for a moment. Then bend, open this elbow, the top one, and open up to the sky. Feel the stretch from your chest all the way to your elbow if you can. We're going to keep it here, but lean back just a little bit more. Take a deep breath, open up a little bit more, relax this right shoulder. Then exhale, bring your arm down and around and cross down towards the ground. We're going to do this 2 more times. Inhale, reach up and lean back. And exhale, down and around. Up and open and back. And exhale, down you go. Then inhale, reach up to the sky. Let's rotate so that your right arm is up and over. Then bend the right arm up and back. Take a deep breath here. And exhale, elbow down towards the ground. Inhale, open and back. Exhale, down to the ground. Then inhale, open and back. And exhale, down to the ground. Then inhale, lift up. Bring both arms up to the sky. Bend and cactus the arms. Then clasp the hands behind you, roll back the shoulders, and take a deep, refreshing inhale to your chest. Then, if you can, bring a bend in your hips and then arms up and over towards the direction of the sky. Gently bring your hands down towards the ground. Pull back the shoulders again and take a deep inhale to the chest. Relax the shoulders. And release. Place the hands behind your back. I'm going to turn, but you can stay where you are to where it's comfortable. Shoulders back, chest up, chin up. We're going to lift up the hips and pull back the shoulders, lifting them up a little bit more. Relax the jaw and take a deep inhale here. And release, exhale. One more breath in and out. Go ahead and bend the hips and just let's do a little bit of more of a calming forward fold here. Down you go if you can all the way. Curling the toes towards your nose, or you can stay up here and just remember bending from the hips, not rounding from the back first. Then let's go ahead and turn onto all fours. Coming into a plank. From the plank, we're gonna lift the heart, lift the chest, lift the chin into upward facing dog. So from here, you're gonna untuck the toes. On the top portion of the feet is where your weight is. Your shoulders are back. You're not hunched and down. Your shoulders are back. Notice that my thighs are up off the ground, and it's an engaging pose here. Take a deep inhale, release and relax. Then drop the knees, squeeze the core, send the hips over the calves for a child's pose, and relax the forehead down. Next, go ahead and bring one arm back and then the other, and let your shoulders round forward. Then hands come back up. We're gonna walk it on down to the ground, all the way to where your belly is on the mat. From here, we're gonna lift the heart up, lift the chest, lift the chin and arms. Then to advance it, bring the left and right leg up, scoot the arms back and hold. Then gently come down. Then inhale up and hold. And gently down. And then inhale up and hold. What we're doing is we're strengthening the back muscles to keep our shoulders back and our hearts open in good posture. If you can, bend one knee then the other and try to grab a hold and kick up into it. If you can't, that's okay. Relax your jaw, your face, and try to breathe in all the way to the belly. And gently lower. Bring your hands down, elbows in. Push up, and after back bends that deep, you usually want to do a child's pose or a forward fold just to calm down the central nervous system. Go ahead and relax here. Then come up onto all fours in a tabletop. We're gonna go ahead and take the left arm up to the sky, all the way up. Let's bend it open and take a deep breath here. Then from here, we're gonna take this left arm, wrap it behind our back, and if you can, on the inside of that right hip, and sink in. Then unleash it if it's there. Lift the arm up, lean back, and we're gonna thread the needle. So the right arm and left arm, you're gonna have that space there. Place the left arm down in between the two. Pull back. If you feel comfortable, take this right arm, wrap it around your back and on the inside of the left hip if it'll do so. Then go ahead and unleash that arm, place it down, and gently push on up. Then we're gonna go ahead and switch. So place the right arm up to the sky, bend the right elbow. If you can, wrap that arm behind and on the inside of the left leg. Then unleash it, arm comes up, and swoop it on through. And you can pull back if you'd like to take this left arm and wrap it around, you can. If your arm's behind your back, go ahead and take it and place it where your eyes meet the ground in front of you. Come on up, we're gonna turn onto our bottoms. And then coming to your back. The legs are gonna extend, the elbows are gonna bend, and you're gonna lift up your head and heart and lean back. If that hurts your neck or doesn't feel comfortable, just keep your neck up, that's okay. If you wanna stay here, you can stay here and just open up. If you want to go further, push up just a little bit more. If you want to take it to another pose, if it's okay for your neck, you can lift up and open up your heart on your own here, or again, just stay on up. One deep breath here into fish. And gently come on down. Bring both knees into your chest, rock side to side. Place the feet down into open butterfly, or also known as angle bound pose. Cactus the arms and really open the chest here. Really pull back the elbows and then relax them. Close your eyes. And just focus your attention onto that region of your body where your heart is. Let your chest rise and fall. And go ahead and think of things that fill that heart up. And go ahead and create a space for the next few moments, filling up with all the things that fill up your heart. Go ahead and wiggle the fingers and toes and reach the arms up over the head. And then back to down where they were, cactusing the arms. Reach over the head. And back to the cactusing of the arms. Then reach the right arm up only. Bring the legs together and curl up into a ball into the right hand side. And then when and if you're ready, you can turn on over and up to a seated position. I'm going to turn around to show you what we're going to do next. Stay there. If you can, bring both hands together behind your back into Namaste hands. Pull back the shoulders and take a deep breath here. Staying there, I'm going to turn around. Then unleash, roll around the shoulders. Bring the hands to your heart. Take a deep breath of all good, loving things and light in towards your body. And exhale, reflect that out. Namaste. Always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.